Welcome to your weekend update for Scotland from the Met Office. Plenty of sunshine around on Friday, and for many, it'll be more of the same on Saturday as well. It has been quite grey and murky across Shetland. A little bit of drizzly rain here and there. That's slowly petering out as we head through the night, and then many areas having clear skies. So a good night for spotting the aurora. Yes, a good chance for seeing the northern lights as we head through the early hours of Saturday morning. Temperature's not going to drop too far either. Quite a warm night, double digits in most towns and cities, so not a particularly cold start to Saturday. A warm, sunny start to what will be a fine day. At times, a bit of high clouds spilling in across the north, perhaps, but a much brighter day in Shetland. Many areas seeing long spells of sunshine, certainly through the morning. By the afternoon, the clouds will be bubbling up, initially across the south and then further north, and just a chance of seeing one or two isolated but potentially heavy showers. Now, most of these are going to be to the north of Central Belt, and most of them are going to be up over the hills, so southern parts of the Highlands and across the Grampians in particular. But even here, they'll be very hit and miss. Most places won't see a shower. Just stay fine and sunny and very warm as well, with light winds feeling very pleasant indeed. 23, 24 degrees possible in Inverness and along the Murray coastline. A little cooler further north and around some coast, but generally pretty warm for the time of year. Will that last into Sunday? Well, yes and no. We'll still see a few more showers around through the evening and overnight. Possibly one or two showers on Sunday morning in the west. But further east, look at this large area of low cloud and mist. Yes, the Ha is likely to return on Sunday to some of these eastern coasts, particularly from Fife northwards up through Aberdeenshire and spreading back across the Northern Isles as well. So that is going to make for a much duller day on some eastern coasts. Chance of one or two morning showers across the west. It's in the afternoon when we could start to see a few, again, scattered but heavy thundery downpours developing. They're most likely across southern parts, particularly southwestern parts of the country later on Sunday. So that's something we need to watch. Those could drop a lot of rain in a short space of time. Generally a bit more cloud around on Sunday, particularly as I mentioned with the Ha on the east coast. That is going to impact the temperatures here, maybe 9 or 10 degrees lower in Aberdeen on Sunday compared to Saturday, but still warm elsewhere and with some brightness. Again, the Murray coastline may well get into the low 20s for a time during Sunday afternoon. But then generally the weather pattern's changing as we head into next week. For more on that, check out our other YouTube channels.